The Food Service Exchange presents
Equipex SEM series of movable top salamanders offers a chef the ultimate in flexibility. The Sodier by Equipex movable top salamander is preferred by chefs in the finest restaurants throughout the United States. The salamander is ideal for finishing or cooking a wide variety of food products, providing the chef with precision control by moving the infinitely adjustable top up or down towards the work surface. With its open sides and front, along with the slide-out work shelf, the Sodier by Equipex movable top salamander permits the chef to move plated food in and out of the salamander without the hazard of hitting the side walls or the cumbersome movement of the handle and shelf assembly on most traditional salamanders. Let's look at some of the applications for movable top salamanders. Instead of taking up valuable oven space to preheat plates to serving temperature, you can use your SEM series to preheat your plates to proper service temperature in seconds. Finishing and melting appetizers like oysters Rockefeller, clams Casino, quesadilla, or nachos can be done expertly in very short periods of time. And for that carefully prepared culinary meal, finishing off the plated food to ensure that every patron receives a piping hot meal is made easy with the SEM series salamander. Even desserts, such as creme brulee or apple crisp, can be deliciously finished without the use of flame torches or valuable oven space. Other applications abound, including the finishing of sandwiches in fast casual restaurant settings and many others that require fast melting, browning, or cooking. Equipex movable top salamanders are manufactured in two sizes: 24-inch wide with 2 heat zones, or 32-inch wide with 3 heat zones. The quartz-powered or Q series salamanders will achieve a top temperature of approximately 650 degrees Fahrenheit on the work surface, which is very hot. For even more heat, the vitroceramic infrared style or VC series will reach almost 1100 degrees on the work surface. And the VC series has 2 additional features. The first feature is an instant on feature that conserves energy but can be deactivated during peak periods. The plate simply touches the back bumper rail to activate the heat in the unit. The second feature is a power adjustment knob to achieve even more precision heating control when finishing and cooking. All models include a slide-out work shelf to make it easier to place or remove plates from the heat zone. Whether your kitchen equipment is gas or electric powered, Sodier by Equipex salamanders can be incorporated into your kitchen design. The movable top salamander can be table mounted, wall mounted with an optional wall mounting kit, or mounted on an insulated wall shelf over a range battery or suite. Whether in a fine dining restaurant, hotel, country club, or restaurants focusing on Mediterranean and Latin cuisine, an Equipex movable top salamander will provide a big equipment advantage, save labor, and improve the workflow of your kitchen. For more information, please contact your local Equipex dealer or call us at 800-649-7885 and email us at sales@equipex.com.